Okay, so we've shown you basic tweening. Now what I want to show you is similar concept, but animating opacity, which is something we haven't looked at yet. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking this fill and I'm saying at frame 10, hit a keyframe F6. At frame 10, in the properties, I'm going to tell to turn blue. So right now it's just going from black to blue, but if I give it a keyframe, that's how you shape tween colors.